हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो फ्रेंड्स, आज के इस वीडियो में हम जो क्वेश्चंस देखने वाले हैं वो आपके आने वाली सभी फार्मासिस्ट एग्जाम के लिए बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाले हैं। तो स्टार्ट करने से पहले अगर आप चैनल पे नए हो तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1।
Which of the following is not used in the treatment of bronchial asthma? Beta 2 agonist, corticosteroids, cholinesterase inhibitors, phosphodiesterase inhibitors. Which of the following is not used in the treatment of bronchial asthma? And the correct answer is cholinesterase inhibitors. Option number C, cholinesterase inhibitors. Question number 2. Omalizumab is a monoclonal antibody used for the treatment of digitalis toxicity, bronchial asthma, rheumatoid arthritis, breast carcinoma. Omalizumab. And the answer is bronchial asthma. Omalizumab is a monoclonal antibody used for the treatment of bronchial asthma. Next question, question number 3. Select the fastest acting inhaled bronchodilator. Ipratropium bromide, formoterol, salbutamol, salmeterol. Fastest acting inhaled bronchodilator. Answer is salbutamol. Option C, salbutamol. Question number 4. Which class of the drugs decrease the viscosity of respiratory tract secretions? Antihistamines, vasoconstrictors, antitussives, expectorant. Which class of the drugs decrease the viscosity of respiratory tract secretions? And the correct answer is option number D, expectorants. Question number 5. Physiological antagonist of histamine. Epinephrine, ephedrine, norepinephrine, none. Physiological antagonist of histamine. Epinephrine is a physiological antagonist of histamine. Next question, question number 6. Tetracycline should not be administered with which of the following beverages? Options are water, milk, orange juice, apple juice. Tetracycline should not be administered with which of the following beverages? And the answer is option number B, milk. Tetracycline should not be administered with milk. Question number 7. The person in charge of state drug laboratory is drug controller, DMS, drugs inspector, government analyst. The person in charge of state drug laboratory is government analyst. Next question, question number 8. All of the following medicinal agents are classified as natural product except morphine, atropine, diazepam, digoxin. Classified as natural product except diazepam is not classified as a natural product. Next question, question number 9. Caffeine is more powerful than theophylline in exerting the following action: bronchodilation, cardiac stimulation, diuresis, augmentation of skeletal muscle contractility. Caffeine is more powerful than theophylline. And the correct answer is augmentation of skeletal muscle contractility. Option D. Next question, question number 10. Spironolactone is classified as loop diuretics, steroidal diuretic, carbonic anhydrase inhibitor, osmotic diuretic. Spironolactone. Spironolactone is a steroidal diuretic. Next question, question number 11. A direct smooth muscle relaxant used in hypertension is papaverine, pralidoxime, physostigmine, pilocarpine. A direct smooth muscle relaxant used in hypertension. And the answer is option A, papaverine. Papaverine is used as antihypertensive agent. Question number 12. The drugs used in the treatment of amoebiasis: acetazolamide, Lasix, lidocaine, physostigmine. The drugs used in the treatment of amoebiasis. Answer of this will be option C, lidocaine. Lidocaine is used in amoebiasis. Question number 13. Faucet test is performed to detect dash in urine: glucose, bilirubin, blood, albumin. Faucet test. The correct answer is bilirubin. Faucet test is performed to detect bilirubin in urine. Question number 14. All drugs are amphoteric in character except amphotericin B, enalapril, tetracycline, phenobarbital. All drugs are amphoteric in character except. Answer of this will be option D, phenobarbital. Phenobarbital is not amphoteric in character. Question number 15. Hip joint is classified as ball and socket joint, hinge joint, gliding joint, pivot joint. Hip joint is classified as ball and socket joint. Hip joint is ball and socket joint. Next question, question number 16. Vaccination against smallpox was discovered by Edward Jenner, Pasteur, Alexander Fleming, James Lind. Vaccination against smallpox. Smallpox vaccines was discovered by Edward Jenner. Edward Jenner. Question number 17. Octreotide, long-acting synthetic analog of prolactin, growth hormone, somatostatin, gonadotropin releasing hormone. Octreotide, long-acting synthetic analog of somatostatin. Question number 18. Which hormone acts through a cytoplasmic receptor? Calcitriol, prolactin, vasopressin, none of the above. Which hormone acts through a cytoplasmic receptor? Answer of this will be option A, calcitriol. Calcitriol acts through a cytoplasmic receptor. Okay, next question. Question number 19. Somatostatin inhibits the release of growth hormone, insulin, thyrotropin, all of these. Somatostatin inhibits the release of all of the above: growth hormone, insulin, and thyrotropin. Okay, next question. Question number 20. Calomel is mercuric oxide, magnesium chloride, mercury chloride, mercurous chloride. Calomel. Calomel is mercurous chloride. Next question. Question number 21. The drug used both as tranquilizer and antihypertensive agent is reserpine, imitin, papaverine, procaine. The drug used both as tranquilizer and antihypertensive agent. And the correct answer is reserpine. Reserpine is used as tranquilizer and antihypertensive agent. Question number 22. All the following are freeze-dried vaccines except BCG, yellow fever, DPT, measles. All the following are freeze-dried vaccines except, and the answer of this will be option C, DPT. DPT is not a freeze-dried vaccine. Question 23. Carbimazole acts by inhibiting iodide trapping, oxidation of iodide, proteolysis of thyroglobulin, synthesis of thyroglobulin protein. Carbimazole acts by oxidation of iodide. Carbimazole acts by oxidation of iodide. Question number 24. Epsom salt is synonym for ferrous sulfate, copper sulfate, sodium sulfate, magnesium sulfate. Epsom salt. Epsom salt is magnesium sulfate. Magnesium sulfate is known as Epsom salt. Next question. Broad spectrum antibiotic is doxycycline, furosemide, nystatin, cimetidine. Broad spectrum antibiotic. Broad spectrum antibiotic is doxycycline. Question number 26. Triiodothyronine differs from thyroxine in that. Options are: it is more avidly bound to plasma proteins, it has a short and plasma half-life, it is less potent, it has a longer latency of action. Triiodothyronine differs from thyroxine in that. And the answer of this will be it has a short plasma half-life. Option B. Okay, next question. Question number 27. The percentage of simple syrup is 56%, 33%, 66.7%, 85%. The percentage of simple syrup is 66.7%. Question number 28. A proton pump inhibitor used in duodenal ulcer is sucralfate, lansoprazole, potassium bismuthate, and Gelusil. A proton pump inhibitor used in duodenal ulcer. And the correct answer is lansoprazole. Lansoprazole is a proton pump inhibitor used in duodenal ulcer. Question number 29. Bentonite is used as oxidizing agent, suspending agent, preservative, reducing agent. Bentonite is used as a suspending agent. Bentonite is a suspending agent. Question number 30. The metabolism of which antiarrhythmic is hepatic blood flow dependent? Lignocaine, quinidine, amiodarone, propafenone. The metabolism of which antiarrhythmic is hepatic blood flow dependent? And the answer is lignocaine.
Okay friends, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like this video. See you in the next video. Till then, stay healthy, stay safe, and take care. Thank you.